Delta contact ground 121.605. Delta 121.605, 919,
It-8 minuta ta' filgħodu tasal f'Malta l-ewwel titjira diretta tal-linja Amerikana minn New York. L-ajruplan Boeing 767-300 ta' Delta Airlines għamel inżul fil-pajjiż wara vjaġġ ta' madwar 8 sigħat u 20 minuta mill-Ajruport Internazzjonali John F. Kennedy fi New York għall-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta. L-ajruplan ta' Delta Airlines ħalla New York il-ħadd ftit qabel nofs il-lejl ħin ta' Malta. Il-kaptan Jason Herman li miegħu kellu żewġ first officers qal lil TVM News li l-vjaġġ kien tranquill u faħħar il-merħba li l-ajruplan ingħata f'Malta.
We had an incredible inaugural flight, first flight for Delta from New York to Malta, and it was a nice smooth flight. It was about 8 hours and 26 minutes from takeoff to landing here in Malta, and the winds were really favorable, so we had a nice quick flight, very smooth, and we landed straight in on runway 13 in Malta, so we overflew Gozo and had a great view, and had a nice efficient landing and taxi into the parking stand.
L-ajruplan wassal direttament Malta madwar 200 passiġġier mill-Istati Uniti.
Yeah, it was almost completely full. We had many passengers already booked many weeks out. The passengers were really excited to have nonstop service. I've traveled to Malta before and have had to make connections, and it's tiresome, it takes a long time, it can be inconvenient, so the passengers were really excited to have nonstop service all the way to Malta.
F'kitba fuq il-mezzi soċjali tiegħu l-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta iddeskriva l-inżul ta' din it-titjira fil-pajjiż bħala mument storiku għall-Ajruport Malti. Id-Delta Airlines il-ewwel linja tal-ajru Amerikana li qed topera titjiriet diretti bi skeda bejn Malta u l-Amerika ta' fuq. Id-Delta Airlines sa topera 3 titjiriet diretti fil-ġimgħa bejn Malta u New York bejn Ġunju u Ottubru nhar ta' Tnejn, Ħamis u Sibt.